Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add columns and rows using Excel. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So I'm going to be using Excel, the desktop version. You can obviously use the web version. It's exactly the same concept. So on this one, we're going to be looking at how to add the columns and the rows using Excel. So it's really nice and easy. So if we wanted to total all of column B at the bottom, we're going to literally do a equal sign and then type in sum. And then you're going to do an open bracket and simply highlight all the columns that you want to be added together. Then do a closed bracket and then press enter. And that is your total for this column here. Okay, so what we're going to then do is look at the rows. So first of all, what you're going to do is select the cell where you want the answer to appear and press the equals button, type in sum, open bracket, and then highlight the cell that you want to start with. So you can either do this and then type in the plus symbol that you want to add another cell to it. And that's where we're going to use the C3. Then do the closed brackets and press enter, and there is your total. If you double click into the cell, you'll be able to see exactly what it's using within its formula. And then what you would then do is wait for the black plus symbol here on the cell to appear. So obviously that's the normal symbol that we see is the white cross, but we're looking for the black cross, and then you can double click it and it will automatically go down and see where there is numbers in the cells and add all of these up. Okay. If you wanted to change that from adding to multiplying, then all you would need to do is change the plus symbol within the formula to the star symbol. Okay. And then if we press that, that is then these two numbers multiply together. Okay. And then if we use the black cross down here as well, double click that, then that is multiplying both of these numbers, and this is the total over here. So that's it. That is how you add and multiply in Excel. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, then we'd really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.